Hey guys, so welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna be showing you guys how to make homemade Alfredo with, not necessarily, I would say fettuccine Alfredo, but I'm using a different kind of noodles. So technically I'm using bow tie noodles, so bow tie Alfredo, but you get what I'm saying. I'm making the sauce homemade. This is something I've always wanted to do just because the store-bought sauce that's already made just doesn't do it for me. It's not as good, and I've been looking at some recipes online, and I think I found one and it looks super easy, like 5 or 6 minutes to make. So I figured I would put it on my channel for you guys too if you wanted to try it out. So let me show you guys what I'm gonna be using. So what you're gonna need is a cup of heavy whipping cream. So you can just get a little thing, a little carton like this. 8 ounces equal a cup, so that's the perfect amount. And then what you'll need is a 1/2 cup of butter. So I got this Smart Balance butter. There is 16 ounces in there, so that'll be plenty. I only need a 1/2 cup, so but yeah, this is supposed to be a little bit healthier. So get your butter, 1/2 cup of butter. Okay, and then next you have 2 cups of shredded Parmesan cheese. So I got 2 packs of Parmesan cheese here, shredded. Don't get the powder kind, it said on the website. So yeah, you're gonna get your 2 cups of shredded Parmesan cheese. And then you're gonna get, I got this little pack here with salt and pepper. You're gonna get a 1/2 teaspoon of salt and a 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper. And then I also got this garlic here. If you like garlic, I love garlic. So if you wanted garlic Alfredo, you could just get some minced garlic, and it will be 1 teaspoon of minced garlic. And then just whichever kind of noodles you like. I picked these up. These are the bow tie noodles. I like these kind better than the fettuccine kind, which all noodles are pretty much the same. And there was this kind, and then they had a wheat kind. The wheat kind only was 10 less calories, which I guess every little bit counts, but I just went ahead and got these. There wasn't much of a difference in the nutrition facts, so I just went ahead and got these. Let's see, what does this say? So I guess this contains wheat anyway, so that's good. So yeah, that's all I got. It maybe cost me like $30 for all of this, so not too bad. But then all you're gonna need is a saucepan and a bigger pan to boil your noodles in. And then personal preference, if you want to put your noodles in the sauce once we get done, or I like to kind of keep mine separate, so noodles and then put sauce on it. Just personal preference, whatever you want to do. But if you do keep it separate, make sure you have a strainer as well to drain your noodles out. So let's go ahead and jump in and get started. So first things first, y'all better wash your hands. I know y'all are nasty and sometimes don't wash your hands, but flu season's going around. Nobody wants that. Don't put your hands in your mouth. Don't cook without washing your hands first. So don't be nasty. So that's step number 1. Okay, and I also wanted to add, so this isn't my house. I'm dog sitting this week, and the owners of this house was generous enough to let me use their kitchen, and so I'm gonna be cooking with using their stuff. So, but I haven't ever gotten a chance really to get on YouTube and make a video stating like what my channel is about, and it'll probably just be a variety of different things. You know, I really enjoy makeup. That's like the #1 thing. But I also enjoy fitness and working out and cooking, trying to cook a lot more and like find cool recipes online. So if I find any that are interesting and like easy to make maybe, or even if they're not easy, I'll probably be filming that and putting it on here too for you guys to check out and see if you guys enjoy those recipes as well. So, but anyways, let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so I got my instructions here online. The website that I'm using is bunsinmyoven.com. So, first it says to do, you're gonna add, let's see, so you're gonna turn your eye up to about like medium heat. So that's about in the middle. And you are going to add your cup of heavy whipping cream. So again, 8 fluid ounces, that equals a cup. Just get one of these and it makes life so much easier so you don't have to measure and all that junk. So do your math and let's open this up. Okay. So we're adding our cup of heavy whipping cream. Okay. And then you're gonna put in a 1/2 cup of butter. And then one of these, like a 1/2 block of butter equals 4 ounces, AKA 1/2 cup. So again, do your math, put one of these babies in there. So let's do that right now. So we're adding our 1/2 cup of butter and we are going to let that melt. While we're waiting on that to melt, we're gonna kind of bring this to a simmer, let that butter melt. To kind of speed up that process, I'm just gonna cover it real quick. Okay, and then next thing, while we're waiting on that, we are gonna go ahead and cook our noodles. So let me open this up and get some water in there. All right, so it's up to you guys how much you want to add in here, but for me, I'm just gonna go ahead and make it easier on myself for the next time I want a snack or meal, and just go ahead and put all of these in here. So I'm putting all those in there. Okay, got my bow tie noodles. Then I'm gonna go ahead and fill that up with some water. Okay, that looks good to me. Bring it back over here. And we're gonna go ahead and turn, okay. Let's see, okay, yeah, just making sure I'm doing the right eyes. This stove is a little bit different than what I'm used to. So let's go ahead and turn that on high just to get that water boiling. Let's go ahead and check this. My butter is melting in there. Ooh, sorry y'all. So melt that butter, get that pasta boiling, and then we'll be good to go here in a few minutes. So yeah, this is my first time cooking this, so if it tastes good, then I will post it. If it does not taste good, I probably will not post this video. So if you're watching this video, then you probably know the result, that it did in fact taste good. So it looks like my butter is all melted in there. So let's move on to the next step. Let's see what it is. So let's see, whisk in the garlic and simmer for 30 seconds. So let's get my teaspoon of minced garlic. So let me go grab that teaspoon. Ooh. All right, here's my teaspoon, not a tablespoon. This is a tablespoon. There's a difference. I got my teaspoon of minced garlic. I'm gonna go ahead and add that in. And I'm gonna kind of whisk that for about 30 seconds. All right, so I think that's been about 30 seconds. I'm going to turn this heat down a little bit. Let me check on these noodles here, see if they're getting any softer. Not yet. It's probably still gonna take a little bit. All right, let's see what the next step is. So, all right, so after that, we need to turn off the heat and whisk in Parmesan cheese, salt, and pepper. So instead of leaving that on, we are turning that off. Okay. So that means we need 2 cups of the Parmesan cheese now, and then our half teaspoon of salt and half teaspoon of pepper. Okay, so I got my half teaspoon of ground pepper, so I'm just gonna go ahead and shake that in there. Let me get my half teaspoon of salt. Put that in there. Go ahead and stir that up some, and then we'll get our cheese going in there. So I'm gonna go ahead and add some Parmesan in there. So I've kind of made a mess here. Oh God. Yeah, don't let this happen, y'all. Was not paying attention, so yeah, don't do that. But I'm gonna go ahead and add in my 2 cups of Parmesan cheese. All right, so 1 bag is 1 1/4 cup. So let me try and do math here. Of this Parmesan, sorry, I had to do some math real quick. And we are going to go ahead and stir that until it thickens, which it already is thickening. See if I need to add anything else. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and, I don't know if I need to I'm gonna turn this back on, just on low, just so I can get some heat going again and melt all that cheese really good. So while we're waiting on that, switching over to noodles, which it's looking pretty good. It's still just a little bit tough, so I'm gonna turn that heat up a little bit and let them continue to cook. So I think my noodles are done. I just checked them with a fork, so I'm about to drain those. And then I also checked my Alfredo, and I made sure to whisk it just a little bit more to get all that cheese good and separated. So, and I just have that sitting on low. And we're just gonna dump all of those in there. Shaking this out, making sure there's no, gosh, that really scared me. No more water. All right, I'm just gonna pour this back in here. All right, we'll just get that amount right now so we don't waste. I like to hold Alfredo. guys, so let's try this and see how it tastes. Crossing my fingers because I've been wanting to do this forever. All right, guys, you will not be disappointed with that. Maybe a little bit more cheese than I would like them. But so I might add, or I might take away doing 2 full cups of cheese, or maybe I just didn't measure it right. But honestly, other than that, it tastes so good. And then just get out your favorite wine, or if you don't drink wine, your favorite drink, just whatever kind of drink you want. My favorite wine is Riscato. It's a sweet wine, but not too sweet, so love that. So yeah, guys, I hope you enjoyed that little cooking tutorial with me. Hopefully I can start doing more things like that. I really enjoyed doing this, and that turned out to be really good, and it took me like 5 to 10 minutes, so fast and easy and affordable, and way better than buying just one of the store-bought already made Alfredos. So have fun with it, guys. Cooking really isn't hard. It maybe can be overwhelming because like having to get a bunch of different ingredients and knowing, but just plan ahead, make you a list, go to the grocery store, try a couple recipes a week and see how it works out for you. Way better than eating out all the time and getting fast food. I can't stand that. I literally will end up craving like homemade foods after I eat out so often. So yeah, guys, hope y'all enjoyed this video. If you like to see more of these videos, give this video a thumbs up. I bet I was blocking that speaker the whole time. But give this video a thumbs up, comment below if there's any kind of foods that you guys would like to see me try to cook. I'm not the best cook, but we'll try it. So yeah, remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Help your girl out trying to grow my YouTube channel. So thanks, bye guys. Hope y'all have a great night. Bye.